Hey guys, and welcome to the first episode of DQ series. Now, the topic for today is yung motor, right? Now, meron akong mga nababasa lately about yung motor ay minamodify ng mga racers para bumilis. So imagine naka-break-in na yung motor mo and then papabilisin mo pa. Alright, so DQ siya, it's because minamodify mo yung motor, right? Break-in, digit yan kasi you're not doing any modifications on the motor. Pinapabilis mo lang siya, right? You're using boot camp and other techniques. Pero once na tinamper mo, let's say binuksan mo to or may ginawa kang kakaiba dun sa physical appearance nung item, specifically yung motor, about sa topic natin ngayon, it's considered as you're modifying it. Okay? So, disqualified or DQ siya sa mga centers. Okay? Ang bali-balita ko ginagawa nila is, yun ang gagamit nila for the first round. Okay? Kukuha sila or they will gather tickets. And then, kasi round 1, there's no inspection pa eh. Nangyayari inspection around quarters or semis, right? So, pagdating ng quarters or yung time na mag-inspect na yung marshal, papalitan nila ngayon yung motor ng yung digit. Okay? So, in that way, marami na silang tickets. They have more chances of winning. Okay? Now, for this video, titingnan natin if totoo nga yung kasabihan o yung ginagawa nila. Okay? Now, ang ginagawa kasi nila here, zoom it in there. So, yung terminal na to, okay, ito yung contact ng battery, okay? This is the normal one, okay? So, titingnan nyo, maiksi lang siya. So, parang sakto lang talaga siya, right? Now, ang ginagawa nila is, hihilahin nila yung terminal na to, okay? So, we will use long nose para dyan. So, hihilahin nila yan, left and right, okay? Now, yung gilid is still sealed. Kaya, hindi mo mapapansin ng marshal yan. Unless talaga titigan nila. Pero unang tingin mo naman kasi is mapapansin mo may kakaiba na dun sa motor. Okay? Now, so gagawin natin, first, itatry natin tong motor na to. Charge ko, let's say 1.51 volts. Patakboy natin, sukatin natin using the Geary app. And then, after nun, walang oil tayong gagamitin. So, straight. After nun, hihilahin ko na yung terminal. And then, patakboy ulit natin. Siyempre, charge ko yung batteries. 1.5 ulit. And then, let's see if may pagbabago. Kung drastic change yung mangyayari or very minimal lang. Okay? Then, after nun, since medyo pasira na rin naman itong motor na to at sisirain na rin naman natin, might as well buksan natin yung motor. Okay? Silipin natin kung ano yung itsura niya sa loob kapag normal at saka kapag binatakan natin yung terminal. Okay? So, kunin ko lang yung batteries ko and then let's start. Alright, now based dun sa app na Geary, RPM is around 25 to 26,000. Okay? So next, charge ko ulit yung batteries and then this time, kalikutin na natin yung motor. Ayan. So, sabi nila, yan. Yung paghila mo daw is, zoom, yan. Is kailangan makita mo yung, parang, ano ba tawag doon? Ang nakalubog na part ng metal. Okay, so, yung person mapapansin niya yan, parang uka doon. So, meaning okay na daw yun, hanggang dun lang. Okay? So, next, wait natin matapos yung battery mag-charge, 1.5, and then, check ulit natin. Alright guys, so moment of truth. See, tingnan natin yung app. Okay, 0, let's start in 3, 2, 1. So, almost 1,000 plus RPM ang itinaas. Now, here's the picture na nabatak na yung terminal. Okay? So, as you can see, mas pressed yung carbon niya sa loob. So, mas makapag-generate siya na ng power. Conclusion natin, yes, bibilis ang motor mo ng plus 1,000 plus RPM. Malaking bagay na rin yun kapag binatak mo yung motor. Okay? I'm not sure kung tama ba yung pagbatak ko at ganun lang yung RPM na tinaas. Baka mas mataas pa kapag baka hindi ko alam yung technique. Pero ganung paraan ay makakapandaya kayo at kapag bigay pa ng dagdag RPM yung motor niyo. Okay? So, hindi ko po ito ginagawa sa totoo buhay, guys. Never naman akong nag-modify or nag-cheat sa any kind of race. Okay? So, I always value integrity. Always play fair. Okay? So, this is a hobby. So, meaning, dapat nag-enjoy tayo dito. Hindi tayo nagugulang ng kapwa natin. Okay? So, as what Atik always say to us na enjoy nyo lang yung hobby. Okay? Always play fair and square. Hindi pinopromote ni Atik yung may mga nandadaya. Alright? So, I think all racing centers naman, ganun din naman yung mga pallets nila, but I'm not sure if all of it o baka may mga nakakalusot. Pero in Atik kasi, medyo maikpit kami sa ganyan. It's a good community. Kaya alam namin kung sino yung mga nandadaya. Okay? So, yun guys, that's it for our video. So, wait, just watch out for the following videos. Meron ba akong mga ginagawa? Episode 2, 3, 4. So lahat ng mga ways para ma-disqualify kayo or ma-DQ, i-cover ko yan sa DQ series natin. Okay? This is for awareness. Okay? Hindi para mag-promote ng padayaan. Okay? So, always play fair, guys. Always play fair. Alright, so that's it. See you on my next video.